We just got to find one that's really dirty. Like that one's too clean. That's not bad. I don't know. Excuse me. Is that your car?
Yeah.
I have a strange question for you. Do you mind if we clean your headlights?
My what?
Your headlights. These bad boys here. Look at how dirty these ones are.
Yeah, just it's
so
not in a good state.
we've got a new product. It's amazing. It's going to turn these headlights, make your car look like it's brand new. Will you let us? It takes 2 minutes, I promise.
Okay, I'm in a little bit of a rush.
Okay, yep, no worries.
Okay.
Okay, so the first step is it cleans it. Okay. Right, already you'll start to see.
Well, that's cute. It's like makeup wipes, but
Yeah, that's exactly what it's like. Okay. Ugh, look at that thing.
that's gross.
Yeah, we just give it a bit of a dry. Okay. And now here is where, oh, look at that.
Oh my gosh, it's rancid.
Here is where the magic happens.
Okay. Do I have to
Okay.
pay for this?
No, this is free, I promise. But you're going to want to pay for it after.
Oh my god, stop it.
Oh, this
I'm a
stuff.
little like OCD with it.
That's okay.
Oh my god, it's so
Check
pretty.
that out. It's not magic.
Transformation.
It's
That's
Headlight
really
Restore
cool.
wipes.
That's fantastic.
Check out this. Check
It's
what
so
it was before.
Stop it. No.
Right? Back. Good as new.
Are we going to do the other head?
Yeah, I'm going to get you to do the other one. I want to show you how easy it is.
Alright, okay.
Alright. Here, I'll hold that for you.
Thank you.
No worries.
Which one do I use?
It's just the yellow one to clean.
Do I need to like, is there a technique?
There is nothing. You just give it a simple clean. There you go. Look at that.
And then the, what do I do next? This is gross.
Cool.
I'm
I'll
actually
take that.
embarrassed. I'm so
That's okay. Give it a dry.
Alright. Is this like a
Okay.
coating?
It is. It's a protective coating. It'll keep it clean for 6 months. Yuck. Okay.
Oh my God. It looks like it's
No.
taken off my fake tan or something.
Let's let the real magic happen.
Okay. I'm actually really excited.
Yeah, right? It is fun.
Oh, this is so satisfying.
And they will stay like that brand new for 6 months
6 months?
at least.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. Oh my god, this is honestly, the results are actually really pretty.
Good as new, right? I
Thank
told you. So
Thank
easy.
you so much.
No
Can I
worries.
look?
Yeah, of course.
Thank you. Do I get to keep
I'll
this?
give you another one for your boyfriend. How about that?
That's amazing. Oh my god, he's gonna love me.
Very
Brownie
good.
points. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. This is really awesome. So, yeah, it really does work. I'm actually quite happy. I thought you guys were going to do a prank or something.
Restore wipes. It's a brand new product. It really works. You've seen the proof. Buy one for your husband, your girlfriend, your mum. It truly works. See you later.